Hello everyone, you welcome my YouTube channel. So in trigonometry, today my topic is double and triple angle. So in trigonometry you will have to face like sine 2a, cos 2a, sine 3a, tan 3a. So first of all we will learn how to make these formula, because this is also a knowledge that how we are making the formula. So first we are going to make the formula for sine 2a. It means what we are going to study, that is the formula for sine 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. Similarly, the formula for sine 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a. And in next video, I will teach you how to produce the formula for a by 2. So in this video, we are going to do these formulae. So I am starting with the formula of sine 2a. So I think you have remembered the formula of sine a plus b. So the formula for sine a plus b was sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. This was the formula for sine a plus b. It was the first formula when I have started the trigonometry. The formula for sine a plus b. Sine a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Let's see what happens if I am putting b is equal to a in this formula only. So b equal to a, just to put in this formula. See what happened. Sine a, and in place of b I am putting again a. Then we have sine a, cos, in place of b I am putting a. Then we have cos a, then sine, and in place of b a. So this way on left hand side you have a plus a sine 2a. This is what we have to make, sine 2a. Now see, this is sine a cos a and again sine a cos a. So it means after adding I can write 2 sine a cos a. So it is very simple to produce this formula, sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a. Now we will learn how to make the formula for cos 2a. Now we will make the formula for cos 2a. So we will use this formula of a plus b, cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So as in the previous case, we will put b equal to a. So on left hand side we will have cos a plus in place of b we will write a. Then cos a in place of b we can write again a, sin a, then sin a. So this is cos 2a. So cos a into cos a, cos square a, and sin a into sin a, sin square a. So this is the formula for cos 2a. So cos 2a formula is cos square a minus sin square a. And I think you have remembered, if it would be plus, that is cos square a plus sin square a, that is 1. But if we have cos square a minus sin square a, then this is the formula for cos 2a. This is the formula for cos 2a. And this formula cos 2a can further be transformed. How? You know, in place of this cos square a, I can write 1 minus sin square a. So cos 2a can be written as, in place of cos square a I will write 1 minus sin square a, and we have already minus sin square a. So this way cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is another formula for cos 2a. So what happened if I am substituting sin square a 1 minus cos square a? So I can write cos 2a equal to cos square a. Now I am changing this sin square a. You know, this sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Then cos 2a will be cos square a, then minus 1 and minus and minus plus cos square a. Now cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So you see we have three formulas for cos 2a, and it will be depend upon the situation which formula we have to apply. But you have to keep in mind that cos 2a, it is cos square a minus sin square a, both cos and sin are coming. But in this formula of cos 2a only we have sin, that is cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Then this is the formula which is only cos 2a, which is only in cos a. So cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So similarly we can produce the formula for tan 2a. You can try this formula by your own, but I am writing down the formula for tan 2a, 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now I will write all the formula at once, and you have to look carefully because you are going to apply those formula. Keep watching. So before going to list all the formula, I want to tell you one formula. I want to prove one more formula for you. You know, formula for sin 3a. Suppose I have to make the formula of sin 3a. You know, these are very necessary skills. You know, we have to know, and we must know that how we can make the formula, because these are also skills of calculation and how you are manipulating trigonometric identities. So sin 3a, you know, sin 3a can be written as sin 2a plus a. We can write like this. Now I will apply the formula of sin a plus b, and you know the formula of sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is a sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. After writing down this, you know how to write sin 2a. The formula for sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. This cos a as it is. Then in place of this cos 2a we can write 1 minus 2 sin square a. You know, there were three formula for cos 2a, but I have chosen this because I have to make a particular formula. So I am writing down the formula which is in the term of sin. So cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square a, then this sin a as it is. Now 2 sin a cos a into cos a. So these two cos a can multiply. So 2 sin a here, and then cos a and cos a, this is cos square a. Now I can multiply this sin a into the bracket, that sin a into 1, that is sin a, then sin a with this, so you will get this term. Now again I have to transform all the trigonometric ratios into sine. So cos square a can also be written 1 minus sin square a, very basic identity. So now 2 sin a, because outside can multiply in the bracket, 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a, then sin a minus 2 sin cube a all is. Now if I am arranging these all terms properly, that is 2 sin a and plus sin a, that is 3 sin a. Now 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a, 4 sin cube a. And here we have the formula for sin 3a. The formula for sin 3a is, sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Similarly, you can produce the formula for cos 3a and tan 3a. Now I am writing down, I am listing down all the formula, and you have to memorize all these formula. This is the list, you know, of all formulas we have just studied. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, then the formula of cos 2a. So cos 2a is having formula number 1, cos square a minus sin square a. Formula number 2, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Formula number 3, 2 cos square a minus 1. Similarly, the formula for tan 2a, 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Then the formula for sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. We have just proved it. Then the formula for cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. You should try this formula, how to prove. Formula for tan 3a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. And there are two special formula. That is, one formula of sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. But this is the formula for sin 2a, which is in the term of tan. So sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, the formula of cos 2a, these are the formula in the term of cos and sin. But this is the special formula of cos 2a, which is in the term of tan. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. And these two formula can be simply proved. I am telling you how. In place of tan a, just you are proving left hand side, right hand side in previous classes. In place of tan a, you can write sin a upon cos a. This 1 plus tan square a will become sec square a, and you can write 1 upon cos square a, and after solving you will have the formula of sin 2a. These are easy to prove. Now for 1 or 2 or 3 questions, I will tell you how to apply this formula. You can have a screenshot of this formula because these are very important formula. So I am getting aside, you can have a screenshot of this formula. We will apply 2a formula. In this question, we have to prove that tan 4x is equal to this. So see how we will use the formula. You know tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x. And suppose for the time being, I can assume 2x as a. So I can write tan 2, and in place of 2x I can write a. So this is tan 2a. And now you can apply the formula of tan 2a. What is the formula? 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now it is the time to put back the value of a, which is 2x. So 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. So finally we have tan 4x equal to 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x can be written as tan 2x whole square. Now I will apply again the formula of tan 2x. Like tan 2a, tan 2x. So we will apply the formula of tan 2x, which is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula for tan 2x, like tan 2a. Similarly, 1 minus, the formula for tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Now see, 2 into 2, 4, that is 4 tan x, and in numerator we have 1 minus tan square x, then upon this is the square, so we will open the square, 1 minus 4 tan square x upon square of this 1 square 1 plus 10 to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x. Now 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So now we will, and before opening the formula we can solve like this, 1 minus tan square x whole square. First we will solve, we will bring it here, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x, we are taking LCM, 1 minus tan square x whole square. See, 1 power will be cancelled. So now we can write like this, 4 tan x, and this 1 minus tan square x will come in the numerator. Then we will open this square, that is 1 tan to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x, and you have minus 4 tan square x. So now you can arrange it properly, that is 4 tan x, 1 minus tan square x, then 1, so minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x, and then plus 10 to the power 4x. So this way you can prove this question. So you can try questions by looking all these formula and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.